Check it out. This is the Toyota 4Runner Premium Hamilton Conversion Kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. We've just completely relaunched this powerful system to make your 4Runner look like the brand new 6th generation. We have all new electronics developed here in Raleigh, North Carolina, and they're going to make this system more powerful than even the newest vehicles on the market. I'm so excited today to walk you through the features. This is Apple CarPlay in iOS 26. Apple's new glass design is absolutely beautiful. You can see whether you use Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, Pandora, or any other music app, you have access to all of your songs and cover art. Coming back home here, no matter which navigation app you use, whether Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, or otherwise, Siri can read your directions.
Starting route to FX.
How much better is
Proceed to
this
Corporation
than the
CarPlay.
factory system? It's a game changer. Any app with a CarPlay component will automatically show up here in CarPlay. You can see the original steering wheel controls still work. All of your functions are available through the factory steering wheel controls. You won't lose anything. You can also see the nice backlighting here. Part of redesigning this system, we've made it work now with your factory microphone. So phone calls are going to sound great, and Siri can hear you effortlessly. How's the weather in Raleigh, North Carolina?
It's currently cloudy and 78 degrees. Expect clear skies starting early evening. Temperatures are heading down from 78 to 62 degrees tonight.
Siri is only getting more powerful. It's going to have so many features in the coming years as Apple completes that AI rollout. And there's a lot of cool stuff you can do with Siri even now. You can see shifting to reverse will bring up your original backup camera. This is your original camera scaled up on the larger display. Back to park or drive brings you immediately back into CarPlay. Clicking the Hamilton button here takes you to the Hamilton underlying operating system. This unit is powered by a powerful 8-core Qualcomm processor. We also use all genuine components throughout our device. Cheaper manufacturers will use knockoff resistors, capacitors, or other little components that fail over time, and they weigh down the device and make it poor in quality. We use expensive components throughout, as we tend to sit as a premium player on the market. Here's the Hamilton underlying operating system. I've paired the device to my phone's hotspot. You can't have the hotspot and CarPlay going at the same time, but I've done this to simulate what it would look like to have a 4G SIM. In my personal Lexus GX, I have a 4G SIM from T-Mobile installed. To install the SIM, you simply call T-Mobile and activate a SIM card for a tablet. You plug it into that SIM slot that will show you during the installation process, and mine took about a day to activate. I've heard that's usual from our customers. You can see that if you have a SIM installed, you can have onboard navigation, so outside of CarPlay. Let's say you were going to the beach for the weekend or something like that, and you didn't want to take your phone when you were taking a trip. You might be able to just use navigation directly on the device here if you had that SIM card. You can also access the FM radio. If you have a SIM card installed, you can use the Google Play Store. You can download any app from the Google Play Store. So we send it preloaded with Spotify and YouTube, for example. And this would allow you to listen to content outside of CarPlay natively from the device. It's really cool. If you've ever driven a Tesla, they frequently have an onboard data connection, and it works very similarly where you don't even have to have your phone connected. You can have all sorts of powerful functionality right on the device. So this is functionality that we build outside of CarPlay. Cheaper systems that have low-end processors or not enough RAM, they don't run well when you're doing this. We have really premium electronics in here. 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of onboard storage. So this is going to be comparable in power or more powerful than many of the newest vehicles on the market in 2025. And this makes it so we can run all of these processes without hesitation from the device. It's going to be super powerful. Pushing this button here will allow you to change which widget you have here on your home screen. So this is the Hamilton home screen. Very powerful, very clean in design, and it really is an awesome upgrade for the 4Runner. We're going to have a user manual. It's available on our support and manuals page, and you'll be able to see how to set and configure all of these settings here. And there it is. That's the Hamilton underlying operating system, more powerful than the newest vehicles on the market currently. A very clean and beautiful interface, backed by premium electronics. Let's jump back into CarPlay here. This system, because we've backed it by high quality electronics, we're able to promise a 3-year warranty. We call it the Hamilton Guarantee. We're known for our concierge style tech support. You can call us and talk to us before, during, or after your purchase. Should anything go wrong over your 3 years of ownership, we will take great care of you. Full warranty details are available on our website, hamiltonmotorcompany.com, all spelled out. You can also give us a call at 919-858-2890. You can talk to me or one of my team members, whether you have questions about compatibility before you buy, questions during your installation, or questions over your 3-year course of ownership. We're here to take great care of you. I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company. We sell systems for every version of Lexus and Toyota, and I will see you in the next video.